What's good? What's poppin', YouTube family? So it's your girl Lena, and I'm back with another video. And this time, y'all, the disrespect that I feel right now because of what I received is freaking crazy. So let's jump right into it. So y'all know that I do makeup. I sometimes try to find alternative ways to make my money stretch when it comes to purchasing makeup, because makeup, honestly, everybody knows it can get super expensive. So I sometimes occasionally go on Amazon and purchase things, or I go on eBay and purchase things, or Facebook, or whatever. And I ran across this really pretty highlighter palette. So I look through it, it looks bomb, poppin'. It says it's only gonna take like 14 days to get to me. So I was like, yes, that's perfect. Let's do it, let's go for it. I want this palette. And I ordered it, everything went fine, woo. 14 days goes past. It's still not here. I messaged the seller and I'm like, hey, it's past 14 days. Where's my highlighter palette? They're like, oh, well, we kind of mailed it out a little bit late. It actually took us 14 days to mail it, so you gotta wait another 14 days. We'll give you half off. Okay, that's fine. I think the eyeshadow, or I think the highlighter palette itself was like $6 or $7, so I really wasn't tripping that bad. I just wanted to really know where my stuff was more than anything. So then he says, yo, if you don't get it within the next 3 to 5 business days, let us know and I'll refund you your money in total. And I'm gonna show y'all what the palette looks like here. Nice little palette, right? Real basic, decent color scheme, nothing like out of the ordinary. Just looks really nice and put together and nicely packaged and stuff like that. And I just, like I said, I just wanted to see what it was like. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but I don't really have that many highlighter palettes. I actually don't have highlighter palettes. I have like single highlighters, and that's about it. And you know, everybody and their mama like knows about the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palettes and things like that, but those are like $40, and I don't want to spend that much on my stuff. So like the most I've ever spent on a highlighter was my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and that was like what, $30 or something. So, and that was, you know, on a whim because I got a Sephora gift card, because honestly your girl wouldn't have bought it. Like, just to be completely honest, I wouldn't have bought it if it was my own coin, you know, being spent. Like I said, I ordered it. You know, the seller didn't ship it out like immediately like how he said. I ended up getting half off, and my palette ended up coming in the mail. On the description, it just says that it's an eyeshadow or a highlighter palette. It doesn't say that it's gonna come in any type of fancy packaging, labeling, anything like that. So whenever I got it in the mail, y'all, I was pleasantly surprised. I don't even know if I want to even use the word pleasantly. I'm just gonna say that I was surprised at the packaging, and because of the packaging, it led me to believe that I was gonna get something better than what I purchased. So let me show y'all what I got. Do y'all see this? Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette is what it says that it is. Now let's slide this open so y'all can see it. The back, nice little barcode. I was like, oh, okay, it's a fake, whatever. Like, I've seen some fake highlighter palettes on some other YouTube channels, and they weren't that bad. Like, you know, a couple of colors were a little bit off, or it just was a little bit chalky, or like the consistency or the texture of the highlighter palette was just like not the same, but the color payout was the same, things like that. So I was like, oh, well, maybe I just got like a really cool like fake, and it led me to believe that I was gonna get some type of really good fake quality. The disrespect that this palette is on a whole nother level, y'all. Like, it came out like a little plastic film, y'all. I'm gonna put in what the actual palette looks like compared to this. Y'all, this is like, even though my light is on in the back, y'all are seeing the colors here. And like, I'm not, let me try to rephrase this. I'm not mad at the colors, because as y'all see, I did swatch it and the colors look true to the pan, like what you're seeing on here. What I am mad about though is that these are not the colors of the original palette. Like, why would y'all do this? Like, why did you have to put this on? Like, let this have been a regular peach colored highlighter palette. Hell, just put highlighter palette on here. Like, you didn't have to go to the extreme of reprinting and putting the holographic lettering on this to bamboozle people. I wanted your stuff without knowing that you even had this on there. But now you led me to have this high expectation that like you guys didn't perform. And what makes me madder, y'all, about this inside is just, I am so technical whenever it comes to grammatical stuff and grammatical errors, that the fact that this palette has a grammatical error in it is bothering the hell out of me. I want y'all to see. Do y'all see that? What does that say? G-O-L? Getter? The name of that color in the actual palette is Glow Getter, not G-O-L. Goal Getter. Getter. Goal Getter. Like, y'all are like, so y'all took the time to make this, but then didn't think to spell something right. Lord, sweet baby Jesus, y'all just made me mad. And like, why? Like I said before, I'm not mad at the colors because of them like being true to the color, even though it's in this. But like this, who's gonna highlight with this? Like, who gonna put green? Who gonna do that? Who? Are you gonna do that? Are you gonna do that? Who gonna do that? And like the other ones, like, yeah, this is cool. Like, that's gold. Like, that's cool. Forever Lit, that one's cool too. Daydream, you're nice and goldy too. Forever Young, again, who is going to highlight with that? Because I don't even know, because now we're like getting more into like eyeshadowy shimmers and anything. And this is Kitty Cat. Kitty Cat is cool. So there's like, you know, 3 out of 5, you know, 4 out of 5. Gold Getter, Forever Lit, Daydream, and Kitty Cat are the only highlighters that I would actually use these for. These two bad boys, these are like eyeshadows. Y'all, I've never just been so disrespected by a fake in my life. Like, all I'm gonna say, I'm gonna end it with like this and say this real quick. Be careful of the shit that you purchase on eBay, definitely, because this is some BS. And if you have the money to spend on the real stuff, get the real stuff, because otherwise you're gonna be dealing with this and you're gonna be wondering why, and you're gonna be sitting over here feeling as disrespected as I feel right now, because this got me bent. And I'm glad that I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it, and I'm even happier now that I got half of a refund on this. And I feel like writing a letter, like off of White Chicks, I'm gonna write a letter. Like, I feel like writing a motherfucking letter to the buyer and be like, yo son, don't bamboozle people no fucking more. Like, it's rude. Like, don't do this. Don't do this. But anyways, y'all, this was an unexpected video that I was gonna do. I was gonna do a freaking wig tutorial video, first review again, but I just decided to do it on this one because this just had me beyond bent. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and share, and tell all your friends about me, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye, you guys.